In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a bank card to 1688 for direct payment. Here's the game plan. We'll add your bank card to Alipay, make sure your Alipay account is verified, connect Alipay to the 1688 app, and then do a quick test payment so everything runs smoothly. Before you begin, make sure you have an active Alipay account. If you're brand new, create your account and complete basic verification first. Have your bank card handy, keep your phone nearby for SMS codes, and ensure the name on your card matches the name on your Alipay profile to avoid rejection. If some screens appear in Chinese, you can rely on the English labels or use your device's translation feature. Start by opening the Alipay app and logging in. Once you're in, go to Me or Account, then open Bank Cards or Cards. Tap Add Card, enter your card number, the expiry date, and the CVV exactly as they appear on the card. When prompted, confirm the billing details and proceed. You'll receive an SMS one-time password from your bank. Enter that code to verify and tap Confirm. After a moment, you should see a success message and your card will appear in your Alipay cards list. If it doesn't, recheck the number and expiry and confirm your bank allows online and cross-border transactions. Next, complete the required verification in Alipay. Go to Account Security and make sure identity verification is completed and your phone number is verified. This is important because unverified accounts often fail during checkout on 1688. If you changed phone numbers recently, update it here so you can receive future OTPs without issues. Now let's connect Alipay to 1688. Open the 1688 app and go to Wodai, which is My Account. From there, tap Shiju or Settings, then find Zifu Shiju or Alipay. Sign in to your Alipay account when prompted and authorize the connection. This links your 1688 profile to the card you just added in Alipay. You can revoke this authorization later in either app's settings if needed. Time to test a direct payment. Pick any product on 1688 and tap Liji Go My or Buy Now. At checkout, choose Alipay as your payment method, select your linked bank card, and complete the payment. Alipay will hold your funds in escrow until you confirm receipt of the goods, which helps protect your transaction. If something fails, double-check your Alipay verification, confirm you can receive SMS codes, and verify your card supports online payments and, if applicable, foreign transactions. That's it. You're set up for smooth direct payments on 1688 using your bank card through Alipay.